Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on vacation mode in Facebook Marketplace on your PC. If you're going on a break or temporarily unavailable to sell on Facebook Marketplace, vacation mode is the perfect feature to use. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account on your PC. Step 2. From the left menu, click on Marketplace. This will take you to the Marketplace page. Step 3. Click on the gear icon next to the Marketplace label. It is located at the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Click on Manage Vacation Mode from the options. Step 5. Toggle on the switch next to Vacation Mode to enable it. This will let potential buyers know that you're temporarily unavailable. That's it. You have successfully learned how to turn on vacation mode in Facebook Marketplace on your PC. Now you can take your break without worrying about managing your listings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.